So the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 is indeed launching soon, and this was confirmed by Xiaomi itself as the company posted this image on its official Twitter account. This image does not reveal much except the name as well as the fact that it is going to be the world's first phone with a 108 megapixel penta camera setup. What does that mean? Well, there are 5 cameras on the rear and the primary camera is a 108 megapixel camera. Now while Xiaomi did not reveal how the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 looks like or what are the specifications of it, we know that already. On November 5th, Xiaomi will launch the Mi CC9 Pro in China, and this is the phone that is coming to the markets outside China as the Mi Note 10. So there are already a lot of teasers on Vivo related to the Mi CC9 Pro, and they give us a pretty good look at the design of the phone. As you can see, the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 will have 5 cameras on the rear placed on the top left, and there is a quad LED flash. There is also a 5x optical text that suggests there is a telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Now it is not the first time any phone is coming with a telephoto lens having 5x optical zoom. In fact, phones like the Huawei P30 Pro and the Oppo Reno 10x zoom already have it. But the thing is, those phones have a periscope style camera, but that does not seem to be the case with the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 or the Mi CC9 Pro. So it would be interesting to see how Xiaomi has implemented a telephoto lens on the Mi Note 10 with 5x optical zoom. Apart from 5x optical zoom, there is 10x hybrid zoom and up to 50x digital zoom. Then there is a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 12 megapixel portrait lens and a dedicated macro lens. On the front there is a single 32 megapixel camera. Talking about the SoC, the rumors have suggested the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC. So it looks like the phone with Snapdragon 855 Plus is not the Mi Note 10 but the Mi Note 10 Pro, which has already been certified. The Xiaomi Mi Note 10 has 6, 8 or 12GB RAM and 64, 128 or 256GB storage. Finally, there is a 6.47-inch curved OLED display, a huge 5170 mAh battery and Android 9 Pie running out of the box. So in short, it seems like a pretty impressive premium mid-range phone from Xiaomi. What do you think? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.